It's our third and final night tonight. Both of the last two performances have been absolutely fabulous. I'm sure that tonight will be no different. So, before I hand over to the cast and crew of the Jungle Book, if I could just ask you to make sure that your phones are put onto silent so that we don't distract the crows that are calling in the background, and of course the actors on the stage. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us tonight. Enjoy the show. It's been a lot of hard work. The kids have been brilliant this week. Let's give them as much encouragement as we can. Enjoy the show.
often stopped by to see how Mowgli, the man cub, was getting along. He was a favorite with all the young wolf cubs.
There's a happy man cub. Bagheera, come play with us. It's only a matter of time before he'll need to return to the man village.
Bagheera was right to be worried. One night, the wolf pack elders met at council.
Shere Khan the tiger has returned to this part of the jungle. He is thirsty for man blood. He will surely kill the boy and all of us if we try to protect him. Are we all in agreement by what must be done?
Yes, Akela.
Yes, Akela.
Yes, Akela. Yes, Akela.
Yes, Akela.
My unpleasant duty. Tell the boy's father, Rama, come over here, please.
Yes, Akela.
The council has reached its decision. The man cub may no longer stay with the pack. He must leave at once.
Leave!
I'm sorry, Mama, but there's no other way.
But the man cub is like my own son. Surely he's entitled to the protection of the pack.
But Rama, even the strength of the pack is no match for Shere Khan.
But the boy won't survive out there alone in the jungle.
Akela, perhaps I can be of help. You, Bagheera, how? I know of a man village where he'll be safe. Mowgli and I have taken many walks into the jungle together. I'm sure he'll go with me. So be it. Now there's no time to lose. Good luck to you, Bagheera.
With a lot of sadness in her heart, Bagheera led Mowgli into the jungle with the intent of leading him to the man village where he would be safe.
Car? Hold it, car! you an icon. So, you want to stay in the jungle, do you? You can look after yourself, can you? With guys like Car around?
Yes, I want to stay in the jungle.
God, I'll get some sleep. We've got a long journey ahead of us tomorrow. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4. A parade! Oh no, the Dawn Patrol again. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4. Highway! Stand up! On the name of Paw Patrol, in a question Paw Patrol, on hutch and hill, on the fields and hills. It's a military goal. It's a military goal. With a hop, 2, 3, 4. Bring it up. 2, 3, 4. By the ranks of single file, over every jungle mile, all the sand and crush to the underbrush.
In a military style.
In a military style.
Hello, what are you doing? Shh, quitting. Can I do it too? Sure, just do what I do. There's no talking next. It's against regulations.
To the rear! March!
Lift your knees up really high.
With a hop, 2, 3, 4. Bring it up. 2, 3, 4. To the rear! Halt! Command! Halt!
That means stop.
Company! Right base!
March, march, march. My feet are killing me.
I'm pretty for a transfer, another herd.
Silence! In line! Press up the line. Put it in, Winifred! Inspection! Arms!
Stick your nose out. Like this. That's right.
Touch! 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 Dusty muzzle! Remember, soldier? Impeller, that trunk can save your life. Take good care of it, my man.
Yes, sir.
Let's have a little more fit and polish. On the pioneer! Yes, sir! Esprit! Deacon! That's the way I earned my commission in the Maharaja Khaki Brigade. Back in the 80s, boys. Or was it?
Here comes the Victoria Cross Bitter Gate.
It was then when I received the Victoria Cross for bravery above and beyond the call of duty. Discipline. Discipline was the thing. Good character and all that sort of thing. Where was I? Inspection. Well, very good. Why not that silly pencil?
dance with a little girl. An elephant never forgets.
Well, you just forgot our son.
Our son. Ah, yes. Right there. To the rear. Right.
When I grow up, I'm going to be a colonel, just like my mom.
If I told you once, I told you 1,000 times.
Oh, look out! Gee, Bob, you forgot to say no.
Military goal, it's a military goal.
Bagheera, he said an elephant never forgets.
It's not funny. Let's get out of here quick before anything else happens.
Bagheera, where are we going?
You're going back to the man village right now.
I am not going.
Oh, yes, you are.
I am staying right here.
You're going and I have to drag you every step of the way.
Let go of me.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will.
Now that's it. I've had it, man cub. From now on, you're on your own. Alone.
Don't worry about me.
Foolish man cub.
Well, it's a too many do.
And the doobie 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 doobie. Well now, what have we here?
Yes, darling, what have we here?
Hey, a little bit of a. Ow!
Go, babe.
Oh boy, I've seen everything in this woods, but what have we here? I really think this is.
Oh, thank you, Billy, darling.
Not you, Belinda.
Do you mean I'm not beautiful anymore?
Of all the bears in the forest, you're the most beautiful Belinda there is.
Thank you.
I mean this little thing sitting here alone.
Leave me alone.
Well now, that's pretty big talk, Shorty.
I'm big enough.
Pitiful. Kid, you need help. And oh, Baloo's gonna learn you benefit it.
And oh, Belinda here is gonna teach you how to do your hair.
Really, Belinda? In the jungle? Is it necessary for a man cub to do his hair? We all notice the difference anyway.
Is that so? You don't understand difference anyway when I do
survive.
What do you mean by pancakes? He isn't me. I know him all I know.
Well, hey, that shouldn't take long.
Look now, it's like just slip back. All you got to do is look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. Yeah, man, I mean the bare necessities. That's why I make a recipe that brings the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. When you look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at the fancy ants and maybe try a few. You need ants. You better believe it. It's got no way to tick. The bare necessities of life will come to you. They'll come to you. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. Yeah, man, I mean the bare necessities. That's why I make a recipe that brings the bare necessities of life. Now when you pick a pawpaw or a prickly pear, and you pick a raw paw, next time beware. Don't pick the prickly pear by the paw. When you pick a pear, try to use a claw. But you don't need to use a claw when you pick a pear off the big pawpaw. Have I given you a clue? Golly, thanks, Baloo. The bare necessities of life will come to you. They'll come to you. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. Yeah, man, I mean the bare necessities. That's why I make a recipe that brings the bare necessities of life. I like being a bear. That's my boy. You're gonna make one cool bear. Why, even sing like one. Doobie-doo, doobie-doobie-doobie-doobie-doo, doobie-doo. Hey, Nosey, how about you flicking that old big flash of Papa Bear's nose? Ow! Boy, will you flick a fly, you really? Why, you fly nose little Aunt Harry Green?
Hey, let go of me. Come and get him, chump.
He's no champ, he's a chump.
Yeah. A big one.
Okay, you guys asked for it. Give me back my mantle.
He is coming get it.
Now that's so big a necessity. Just a big necessity.
Now just try that again, yo.
What's that you hit him with?
That's a good necessity.
Give him back, or I will grab you by the tail.
Baloo, help me. Baloo, they're carrying me away.
Bagheera! Bagheera!
Now what's happened?
They ambushed me. They ambushed me. I jabbed with my left. Then I shot with right. Then
A
I...
lot of time. What happened to Mowgli?
Like I told you, my Mandy's monkeys tired him out.
The ancient ruins? Oh, I hate to think what will happen when he meets the king up there.
Let's go find him.
Arapa-doobie-doobie, arapa-doobie-doo. Arapa-doo-doo, arapa-doo-doo, arapa-doo-doo. Arapa-doobie-doobie, arapa-doo-doo. Arapa-doo-doo, arapa-doo-doo. I want to be just like you.
Oh, we got him, King Louie.
Man, we got him. So you're the man cub. Great.
I'm not as crazy as you are. Put me down. You cut that out.
Cool it, boy. Unwind yourself. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Now come on, let's shake, cousin.
Am I your cousin? What do you want from me?
Word that grab my
royal ear that you want to stay in the jungle.
Stay in the jungle? I sure do.
Good and old King Louis, Baba-doo-bay-doo-doo, that meat gets fixed for. Have 2 bananas. Let's have a deal.
Yes, sir. I'll do anything to stay in the jungle.
Well then, I'll lay on the line for you. Now I'm the king of the swing atoll, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub and stroll right into town and be just like the other men. I'm tired of mucking around.
one is young and helpless. Just one swine.
What are we gonna do?
We're going to do what's best for him.
You name it, and I'll do it.
Good. Then make Mowgli go back to the man village.
I love that kid. I love him as if he was my own cub.
Then think of what's best for Mowgli and not yourself.
Well, can't I? Can I just do morning?
It's morning now. Go on, Baloo.
my rendezvous with the lost man.
Yes, man cub. So nice to see you again.
Oh, go away and leave me alone.
Let me look at you. Oh, you don't want me to look at you? Then you look at me.
No, sir. I know what you're trying to do, huh?
You do? Oh, I mean, you don't trust me?
I don't trust anyone anymore.
I don't blame you, but I'm not like those so-called fair weather friends of yours. You can trust in me. Trust in me. Trust in me. Shut your eyes and trust in me. Hold still, please. You can see safe and sound, gnawing on around. You're snoring. Sorry. Trust in me and trust in me. Shut your eyes and trust in me. Oh, now what? I'll be right down. Yes, yes, who is it?
It's me, Shere Khan.
I'd like to have a word with you if you don't mind. Shakan, what a surprise.
Yes, isn't it? I just dropped by. Forgive me if I've interrupted anything.
Oh, no, nothing at all.
I thought you were entertaining someone in your, coil.
No, well, I was just cutting up for my siesta.
But you were singing to someone.
Singing? Well, I was just singing to myself.
Indeed.
Yes, yes. You see, problems with my sinuses.
What a pity.
Oh, you have no idea. I can't eat, I can't sleep, so I sing myself to sleep. Self-hypnosis, you know. Let me show you how it works. Trust in me.
I can't be bothered with that. I have no time for that sort of nonsense.
Some other time, perhaps.
Perhaps, but at the moment I am searching for a man cub.
Man cub? What man cub?
The one who was lost. Now, where do you suppose he could be?
Search me.
That's an excellent idea. I'm sure you wouldn't mind showing me your coils, would you?
Certainly not. Nothing here.
Indeed. And now, how about the middle?
The middle? Oh, yes, yes, the middle. Aha! Absolutely nothing in the middle.
Really? Well, if you do just happen to see the man cub, you will inform me first. Understand?
I get the point because my heart hope to die.
Good show! And now I must continue with my search for the helpless little boy.
Oh, good to see that he is willing.
Help the little boy. You told me it's mine, huh? You said I could trust you.
It's just like you said. You can't trust anyone. Or if I never have to see that skinny little shrimp again, it will be too soon. Hold it, lads. Now, let's go have some fun with this little fella. Blimey, he's got legs like a stork.
Like a stork. Ha ha. But he ain't got no feathers.
Ha ha
Go ahead. Laugh. I don't care.
What's wrong with him? I think we overdid it.
We were just having a bit of fun. That's all. Just look at him. What a poor little fella. You know, he must be down on his luck.
Yeah, or he wouldn't be in our neighborhood.
Hey, you kid. Wait a minute. Hey.
Just leave me alone.
Come on. What's wrong? You know, you look like you haven't got a friend in the world.
I haven't.
Haven't you got a mother or a father?
No. Nobody wants me around.
Yeah, we know how you feel. And nobody wants us round either. We may look a bit shabby, but we've got hearts and feelings too. And just to prove it to you, we're gonna let you join our little group.
Kid, we'd like to make you an honorary vulture.
Thanks. But I'd rather be on my own. Alone. Look kid, everybody's gotta have friends. Hey fellas, are we his friends?
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old mom said. Oh, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, I'm too. There isn't anything I don't do for you. We stick together and we see it through. Oh, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Bravo! An extraordinary performance. And thank you for detaining my victim.
Don't mention it, Your Highness.
Let's get out of here! Even though run, friends, run! Run? Why should I run?
Why should you run? Could it be possible that you don't know who I am?
I know you, alright? You're Shere Khan.
Precisely. Then you should also know that everyone runs from Shere Khan.
You don't scare me. I won't run from anyone.
Ah, you have spirit for one so small. And such spirit is deserving of a sporting chance.
engraved on our saddened hearts.
I wish my mother could have heard this. Wait! Don't eat now! There's more! Lots more!
Baloo, you're right. Why, you big fraud? You four-flusher. I am fed up. You sure had us worried.
I'll just make me fine. You know, play me cool. You're too easy.
It's going to be done without the little, isn't it? Yeah. So what we gonna do?
I don't know. And now don't start that again. Hey, Frank! Useless and how made the sucker out of all shut. One left in his face. Boom, boom. I'll give you wham.
You better believe it.
Yes, sir. Nothing or nobody's ever gonna come between us again.
Father's hunting in the forest, mother's cooking in the home. I must go to fetch the water till the day that I am grown. Till I'm grown, till I'm grown. I must go to fetch the water till the day that I am grown. And I'll have a handsome husband and a daughter of my own. I'll send her to fetch the water. I'll be cooking in the home. My own home, my own home. I'll send her to fetch the water. I'll be cooking in the home.
Look, what's that? Oh, it's the mandolin. No, I mean that.
Oh, forget about those. Ain't nothing but trouble.
Just a minute. I've never seen one.
You see them? So let's go.
I'll be right back. I want to better look.
Mowgli, wait a minute.
Oh, Baloo, let him have a better look.
She did that on purpose.
Obviously.
Mowgli, come back.
Come back. Go on.
He's hooked.
It was inevitable, Baloo. The boy couldn't help himself. Loki is where he belongs now.
Yeah, I guess you're right. But I still think he'd make one swell bear. Well, let's get back where we belong and get with the beat. Hold in there for a second, Bandy.
Looks like a her. She did that on purpose.
Obviously.
Looks like a her.
It was inevitable, Baggy. But just before we go, I've got to get Belinda back. I still think she'd make one swell bear one. Belinda, darling, would you please come back to the jungle with me? Banana just don't taste the same without you. So what do you say, Baggy? Let's get back where we belong and get with the beat.
thank them for a wonderful performance. A third night of a fantastic rendition of the Jungle Book. Before we actually go into your performances, boys and girls, I've got a few people that I think we need to thank as well that have helped put this all together. So, to start off with, the lights and the sound, which has been awesome every night, I think, and also the effects on the back of the screen there, that's all been put together by Peter Staines. So I think let's give him a big round. Beautifully painted set all the way around the hall here, all the effects of the vines and the leaves, and the whole set has taken Mrs. Staines hours and hours. Quite a reclusive activity. She never lets anybody help her with it, so it's amazing things actually she's done. Then the dancing that was done tonight, this last dance of the fire dances, has been really cleverly choreographed by three of our ladies, Miss Patricia, Miss Chewa, and Miss Kelly Terra. So if they are around, can you show your faces, please? Then our musical team over here, obviously helping together from that point of view, Mr. and Mrs. Lyles and Miss Vesta. The last dancer's costumes, these beautiful dresses that have been put in. Mrs. Tanner and Mrs. Dakani have brought all of those in for these girls, so I think just give them a big round. Another huge job and another huge commitment to this production is obviously the costumes. And Mrs. Beguiza has done a lot by herself, but with the help of two tailors, so and some staff members on occasion. But let's give Mrs. Beguiza a big round of applause. The script, whilst Rudyard Kipling wrote the original, it was very cleverly tailored by Mr. Conti. Certainly not least, Miss Clem, who's kind of pulled the whole thing together, be the director of this production. So Miss Clem, can you give us those are just some of the people that I've named, individuals. But of course, lots of the teachers have helped on the nights and helped in the run-up to the production, doing different things, helping here and there where they can. So I think just the whole teaching staff has shown an enormous commitment towards this production. Let's give them a big round of applause. You will be able to get photographs. We will communicate how you're going to get those photographs. But Miss Adams, how many photographs have you taken? Not the ones that you've cleaned out. How many photographs have you taken altogether? It must be over 2,000. Yeah, probably over 2,000 photographs. She's cleaned up a lot of the ones, but they will be available for you to download. So Miss Adams, thank you in advance for all the photographs. But of course, the show belongs to the children. They have been absolutely fantastic. All 3 nights, all through all the rehearsals. The children have been wonderful and they performed fantastically every night. I'm sure you'll agree. Let's give the cast of the Jungle Book. Carry on. Thanks very much for coming, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.